I have found this container full of Thomas models, some Trackmaster, some metal, and some wooden. So let's dig in. I'm trying to see what I have in my storage. I mean, on my garage, and over the years I accumulated a lot. See, this one is missing the motor, the driver. I mean the motor, and it's a broken. But actually, there's another one here. So that is nice. This one is the motorized tenders, obviously missing. This one has a motor on it, so that is great. Also, this one missing the motor. Yeah. So basically, what I used to do is I used to use it. Right now, I'm not buying. I'm not buying anymore. But I used it to buy and sell on eBay. Also on my website. Here's a boxcar, a wooden railway lady. We have a metal Percy. So basically, I used to buy the best things. I put it for sale, and the rest I just put it in stored in boxes, on bins, totes, whatever you want to name it. And right now I'm digging in, trying to find what are the ones that are good. So yes, there are so many things here that I'm trying to sell. You know, check the link in the description. I have a eBay store. Now let me tell you the reason I shut down my, what is this? Okay, the reason I shut down the website customtrackmasters.com was because there was just few people that used to go and visit my website, and there was no sales on that, even though I had a big discount on sales. I mean, the prices were very low, 5 up to $30 less than on eBay, but it seems that nobody was interested in. Oh, this one slides up. So nobody was interested in my website, so I had to shut it down, and it seems that the people love the high prices. I mean, if you go to eBay, everybody's paying big bucks. I mean, high priced items on eBay. So that's another reason I stopped that. And maintaining that. Oh, look at that, James. Maintaining a website takes so much time, and I cannot. Another Thomas. This one's heavy. It does have a battery. To maintain a website, it takes time. So, and nobody bothers to buy the models on my website. I mean, I'm not complaining. I used to sell some, but it's not worth it. That I see the reason that these others. What is this? Hitoy company missing the rubber band. This other seller that has had a website is selling everything on eBay also. There were no. This is new. I have another one. There's no people or customers going to the website. Yeah, since I moved to the new address more than a year ago. Yeah, more than a year ago. I forgot about these boxes because I remember I used to stream, and here I have found my stream deck with these customizable LCD buttons. And I forgot that I had all this stuff here, so I'm trying to find. Oh, look at this. Do you know which is this bullet train? Let me know in the comments. Can you leave me in the comments what is the name of this bullet train? It's complete. Will be appreciated if you let me know. So anyways, I'm trying to continue finding good stuff here. Look at this. Oh, low battery, but at least works. That's great. I'm finding some good stuff here. This is a cabling, and it seems that I have cabling. Some of these need some minor repairs. Yeah, the reason, like I say, the reason I used to put these on bags is I just pick the best ones, the ones that are ready to hit the store, and I just keep storing the no good ones. I've been doing this since 2011 or 10. Oh, look at that. Southern Mail car. It switches the cargo. I'm sure it rotates something inside. I think it's a triangle shape something. Harvey's motorized coach, and here's Harvey. I have more Harvey here. Oh, and also, what is this? Gordon needs a battery cover. This is from Arch, some sort of arch bridge. Broken Harveys. I need to get them out of here so I could figure out which ones are which. This one I think was a remote control Thomas, and here is 2009 Mattel. I like this color. It's like enhanced color, but this is kind of darker. But anyways, oh, look at this cargo. This is nice cargo. I saved this cargo. Let me tell you, I basically don't mention it, but I saved because I'm going to get some what do you call these? Oh, look at this! Wow, wow, wow! I say all this so I could make some resin casting copies of it. Yeah. Wow. Express coaches. Another James. I think this one is really good. Let me see. Let me check. Yeah, so just missed the battery cover. It seems to be okay. Well, actually it's a broken wire. No big deal. See, that's the reason, like I say again and again, I used to just get the good ones, that the ones just needed some cleaning, maybe touch up, and the ones that are need some rewiring, I just put them in storage, in a storage container, and I totally forgot. So I have a lot of boxes. I took the parts from this thing. And here's the thing I used to do is it's missing a passenger here. I used to get the parts. Back in the days, I had no idea where to get the parts for replacement parts for these models. So I scavenge. Oh, more parts! Wow, wow, wow! Look at this. I get the parts from all the Thomas train models. This is what is this? Bell. I think I've seen the top. Wooden railway diesel. Yeah, I used to get the parts from I think this one. I don't know if it's good. No, it does not have any battery. From all models, replacement parts from other ones. Oh yes, this one slides up. I remember I sold one and came with no batteries. Let me see if I can do a quick test here. Yeah, I saved this one, and so I got one in the mail that did not came with the battery cover. Look at that. This is a custom light up fling. Yeah, one of those came missing, and I totally forgot to remove it out of my website long time ago, and it's sold, so I had to remove the battery from this one, battery cover. But this one is actually nice. I don't know if I'm gonna put it for sale. I wish to find, if I found the battery cover, but I don't have any. I don't remember having any other Tolkien film. But if I found some, look at this, Dennis. Others are just, oh, probably if you remember, let me show you. I think I made like a 30 of these since nobody wanted to buy the Thomas. This is the Batman Thomas. Tames, como quiera, whatever you want to name it. I just say it in Spanish. So, it's a custom model. Yeah, I have a lot. If you can see here, I made a lot of these. These are painted wheels. And I don't remember where I put everything when I moved here. so I lost track of everything. But like I say, that's why I'm digging, checking all the boxes. As soon as I find the boxes where I have all the contents, I'm gonna put them for sale. What is this? This one is just this one doesn't rotate like the other one, but it's nice. Van or box car. So I found the words for this thing, right? Okay. Anyways, okay, I find it here, right here. Yeah. Some of these, I hope I can put them for sale really soon. Let me know in the comments about this. I will really appreciate if you let me know. I'm gonna take a picture of this and see if maybe Google or eBay can find it. But anyways, let me know in the comments. Look at the mess I have. I just started. I removed 2, 3 from there, and I hope I can continue.